Alright guys, so in today's video I've got 7 different ways in which you can elevate a basic outfit like this into something really nice which is going to stand out and make you feel absolutely banging. Let's get into it. What is up guys, welcome back to another video. Right, so today we've got something a little bit different because I'm always doing try on hauls, I'm always doing videos like that, but I actually want to give you a few tips in which you can actually improve your style game, your fashion, to stand out, you know, from other people and just improve how you look and dress and feel. That's what this video is about. So we've got 7 different ways in which you can elevate a basic simple outfit like this. Everyone's got like a basic outfit like this, haven't we? So let's get straight into it. We've got 7 different tips. Let's start off with tip number 1, but before we do, don't forget to drop this video a like, subscribe to the channel if you've not already, and press the little bell notification just to keep up to date on all the videos. Right, have you done that? Let's get on to tip number 1. So guys, this is just a really basic, simple outfit. We've got a nice fitting t-shirt, we've got some jeans from Fashion Nova, which are like a slim fit, and we've got some white trainers from Bershka. So tip number 1, and I think a lot of people don't do this, but it's to pinroll your jeans. So every time I'm out and about, in the airport, in the shops, you know what I mean, I see people and the jeans at the bottom, the fit is just horrendous. Like there's so much excess material here at the bottom and it makes you look shorter, like it makes you look stumpy. Say if I'm like a 6-foot guy and I'm wearing like this, I'm gonna look shorter, which is not what we want. We all want to look tall, don't we? So pinroll your jeans or pants. It's very important. It's really easy to do. I'm gonna show you now. You just grab the material, pull your jeans up a little bit, so they're a little bit shorter. Grab the material on the outer, fold it in, fold up once, pull it down again, keep folding, keep hold of that really tight, and then just fold again. It's a really simple trick you can do on any type of pant. It's just gonna make your legs look a lot longer, you're gonna look a lot slimmer in the body as well. And it's really nice for summer because you can got your ankle out. I think it spruces up the outfit a little bit. So I'll do the other one and then we'll move on to tip 2. Right guys, so the jeans are nice and pinrolled now. Tip number 2 is going to be to tuck in your white t-shirt. I know most people wear the t-shirts untucked. I do you know what I mean? I like wearing it untucked, but just to give a bit of a different look and to spruce up the outfit, it's really nice to tuck in your t-shirt now and again. And it's just gonna make you look a lot smarter as well. It's gonna make your legs look longer, your torso look a bit shorter, which actually improves your height overall. So tuck in the t-shirt, make sure it's a nice and tight tuck. You don't want it to be too, you know, like a muffin toppy. You want to make sure you've got like a nice fitting t-shirt as well. You don't want one that's too baggy, but then again, you don't want one that is skin tight either. So these are the new Sulfit t-shirts that have literally just released now. So if you want to check them out, they're going to be linked in the description. Really nice heavy cotton, a perfect fit. I'm wearing a size large here, but yeah, get yourself a nice fitting t-shirt. Right, the next tip we have got is to add a belt. I think belts are really important in style and in fashion. I know a lot of people don't really tend to wear them, but I think they're crucial, you know. They give a different look to the outfit, again, like tucking in a t-shirt. And I think if you're tucking in a t-shirt, it's really nice to add a belt to that. Plus, because I've got like weird shaped legs as well, like I've got quite big upper legs here, I always have to size up on the waist. So for me, I always have to wear a belt anyway, otherwise my jeans and pants are gonna fall down, which is not ideal. So the belt I've got here is just from Core Essentials, really high quality, nice belts in grey. I really like these because you can adjust it to any size you want. There we go, there is the belt, nice and tucked in. Already it's looking miles better than when we first started. The 4th tip we have got, guys, is to accessorize. Add accessories to the outfit. So I've got a necklace here from Rose Gold and Black, and I've got a minimal bracelet again from Rose Gold and Black. Really minimal. It's not too in your face, you know what I mean? It's not like a massive gold chain. It's really nice, really high quality. and they are actually today's video sponsor as well, guys. So if you want to check them out, honestly, the best men's accessories in the game. You're not going to find another company that have the same quality for the same price. They do free worldwide shipping, which is very ideal as well. They've got so many different designs as well. This is the minimal bracelet, and if you just want to start off like dipping your toe in the water of getting some accessories, I think the minimal ones here are really good to start off with because they're really small. They're not something dead big on the wrist, you know what I mean? And the branding is very minimal. This necklace, I wear it all the time. Again, it's just giving a different variety to the look, a nice little pop. Very nice. That is number 4. Like I said, if you want to check out rose gold and black, that's going to be linked, the first one in the description. Make sure you go and have a look, guys. I've got a special discount code as well, Josh Schultz, so you get an extra 10% off at the checkout. Yeah. The outfit is looking so much better already, and we've already done 4 different things to the start. Number 5, guys, is to roll up the sleeves on the t-shirt. So some t-shirts you get and they're really, really baggy, which is not what you want. If you're a skinny guy, it's gonna look massive on you. So a little tip you can do is just roll up the sleeves once. You don't have to roll it up more than once because it's going to be like digging into your armpit if you do that. So just once, it will actually make your arms look bigger. You'll look more athletic just because it's actually showing more of the tricep. So if you go to the gym, you want to show your arms off, fold up the t-shirt once, gives a really nice look. You look more athletic, more manly. Very ideal. Just a nice little variety. You can also do it on this side as well. Right, the outfit is looking so much better now. Arms are on show, but not too much, not too in your face, you know what I mean? Like, it's not too tight. You don't want it to be skin tight. It's just not a good look at all, that, but a really nice outfit so far. Right, tip number 6 is, I think everybody should have one of these, especially guys, a watch. Add a watch to the outfit, always wear it on the left wrist, and you want to wear it just above your knuckle as well. So this one again is from Rose Gold and Black, as well as accessories. They do minimal watches, which are really nice, but there's so many different brands out there that are pretty affordable, which are going to look good. You've got Movement, you've got Vincero. To spend a fortune, you don't have to go and get a Rolex. You can spend like £100, £200 and still look stylish, still look good. But we'll whack this one on. Just a nice little black minimal watch. Again, it gives a different look to the outfit. It just kind of breaks it up, do you know what I mean? It breaks the full look up, like it's not just plain and boring. We've got loads of different things going on now, and it's just increasing your style. Right, so tip number 7 is to add a pair of glasses or sunglasses, obviously depending if you're outside or inside. So I've got both here. I'm obviously inside at the minute, so I'm gonna put on some glasses. I think glasses are really good though because they actually define your jaw structure. So if you get some square ones, it really helps with your face shape. I think they look really nice. You look like you know what you're doing, you know what I mean? You look the business. Very nice outfit. I actually love wearing sunglasses more than glasses. These are just blue light blocking ones where you can get them from loads of different places. I'm gonna link them all in the description, guys. I'll whack some sunglasses on as well. It just defines the jaw structure. You just look pretty suave in sunglasses, I think. I love wearing sunglasses. I've got so many different pairs. These ones are just from H&M. They're like £8, so do you know what I mean? You don't have to spend a fortune. Ray-Bans are obviously great, but you don't have to spend a fortune on them. Really nice. But yeah, that is 7 tips. We've actually got a bonus tip as well. I'm gonna keep my sunglasses on inside because it is actually pretty sunny through this skylight. So the bonus tip is to actually layer. I know this is just a basic outfit here, but if you're in a colder country or if it's spring or do you know what I mean, you just wanna add something to the outfit. If you're going on a night out, add a bomber jacket and that is just gonna complete the look. Like, there's nothing else you're gonna have to worry about. Add a nice simple bomber jacket. You can wear it in black, navy, khaki, like maroon. And then you're just literally fully sorted. This is the perfect outfit for any occasion. Really nice and casual, comfy, pretty stylish, pretty smart as well because you're tucked in, you've got the belt going on. If you wear this on a first date or if you're going out to a restaurant with your girlfriend, you're going to the bar with your mates, it's just a perfect outfit. You can obviously change the white trainers to some black trainers, so you might get in the clubs. Very, very nice. Just a few easy tips you can use, you know what I mean? You don't have to spend a fortune on loads of stuff to look better, but it's just completely transformed that first outfit to now, hasn't it? Like, it looks so much better. But yeah guys, I thought I'd do a little bit of a different type of video because I'm always doing hauls, like I said. I'm doing vlogs and stuff like that, but these tips videos are actually helping you out, so I thought I'd get them involved, you know what I mean? Let me know if you did enjoy this video guys in the comments down below. Don't forget to drop this video a like, and all the items are going to be linked in the description so you can have a look. And don't forget to check out today's video sponsor, Rose Gold and Black. Really nice accessories and minimal watches. But yeah, that is how you can improve your style. 7 different ways to elevate your outfit. Go and give them a try guys, go and get involved. Well, that is it from me today. I'll catch you on the next video. Take care, stay safe, see you later.